Hi, I'm Anthony Coates. You would think that playing college football during a global pandemic would be a bad idea. Well, I mean, it is, but there's a lot of reasons why they're playing, and a lot of it has to do with Chapter 8 supply and demand. There's a demand for college football because, as you can see in the top right, college football brings in a ton of money for the schools and the economy. And the supply part is that they have all these players, hundreds of them at every school, willing to play. So there's a supply part, supply and demand. They need to play in order to make money, so they play. Um, there are some negatives on playing college football. A lot of them has to do with health issues from COVID and the spread of the virus. But a lot of people are saying that they have to play college football because of some other health issues. For example, if they don't play, the this could lead to mental issues within the player because football is their identity, and not playing could send them into a downward depression spiral. And then also, these top tier players, by not playing, could also hurt their draft stocks and lose out on millions of dollars in the NFL. So there's a lot of downsides and there's some upsides, but mostly downsides to playing college football because of COVID, and it has been affecting the landscape of college football greatly this season so far, and I expect it to continue to affect college football for time to come until we figure out this virus. So, yeah.